Even me that is talking to you, if I contest with Hope Uzodimma in Imo State in a normal distance, Hope cannot win me.
Is that possible?
Yes, very, very possible.
They will give two financial backing now.
They give us two financial backing now. The Imo State people will give me their vote than giving it to Hope Uzodimma.
Okay, there's an alleged pictures, going viral on the internet of the people's governor Hope Uzodimma and Ganduje of Kano State, the former governor of Kano State, and the current APC chairman coming out for president, 2027. Do you think this partnership can work out well? Do you not think Uzodimma and Ganduje are dreaming? Do you not think it's a big task for them coming out as president of and vice president of Nigeria?
God bless you, my brother, and God bless you so much. The mistake ever, although I didn't see it as a mistake, it is good that the two criminals coming together. What is Hope Uzodimma coming to do for Nigeria? What has he done in Imo State? The problem that Imo State is facing today, the setback they suffer today, is from Hope Uzodimma. Hope Uzodimma is the most corrupt governor ever in Nigeria. The ones I know, the ones I can easily remember, is the most worst ever. Uzodimma. What do you think he can offer Nigeria? He has nothing to offer. No. Him and Ganduje, the group of thieves, criminals, the group of thieves coming to rule Nigeria. Ambition, although everybody have freedom or to dream. You have right to dream, to have a dream that can never come true. Because I know vividly well, even in Imo State, let hope, even me that is talking to you, if I contest with Hope Uzodimma in Imo State in a normal distance, Hope cannot win me.
Is that possible?
Yes, very, very possible.
They will give two financial backing now.
They give us two financial backing now. The Imo State people will give me their vote than giving it to Hope Uzodimma.
Is he doing in Imo State as a governor?
He's ruling as a governor. Did he win election? He did not win election. The fourth man, because he reached an agreement with Buhari. That was why they now rule against the winner and rule to his favor. Yes, now they ruled against the winner, PDP winner, and they ruled to his favor. So because they have reached agreement of this nonsense that is happening now. Are you getting it? You want to sell our land, give to Fulani, a stranger, to come and be raping our girls, clean our women and the farmers, just as they are doing in Benue. Are you getting it? Now, I want to ask you, ever since Hope Uzodimma become governor of Imo State, was there any peace till today? No peace in Imo State. Even he himself doesn't rule Imo State in Imo State. He stays in Abuja. So is it supposed to be like that?
Although I think is the chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum, PGF. So I think that's why
Progressive Governors Forum. Which side? Nigeria.
In Nigeria, I think is their head. So I think that's why most of the time he's always in Abuja, doing his carrying out.
When did he become the chairman?
When did I don't know when he has been.
This is a second tenor. As at first tenor, he was not the chairman.
He wasn't. So in other words, for a very long time he's been acting.
He has been living in Abuja, acting from Abuja.
Maybe he likes Abuja life. He likes staying in Abuja. No,
he likes staying in Abuja, and things are going wrong in your state. You cannot sit down to watch and to think of what to do in order to bring stability and good things. See, what is the meaning of this election? Election is it not to elect somebody to represent? And you that they say, okay, or you win election. That means you are the choice of the people to represent the people. Is that not so? To represent them there, to be their voice. Are you getting it? the voice of the voiceless. Because not everybody's voice could reach there. But through you, our voice will reach there. That is what it means. And that is why they are sending you to represent them. But instead of you representing them well, you brought calamity upon them. Imo State is in a serious crisis. If you have not visited, try and visit.
So no peace.
No peace in Imo State. I'm not telling you. I'm going just verify. Travel. Ask.
So during Okorocha's time, was there peace? You know, in Imo State?
Okorocha's time is better than this. Than his tenure. Okorocha's time, his tenure is far, far better than this Hope Uzodimma. The worst regime ever in Imo State is Hope Uzodimma regime. Remember, he's not the first governor, and he's not going to be the last governor. But so far, so good. Hope Uzodimma is the worst governor ever in Imo State, which I'm not praying that somebody like him should come to the power again, not even in the next life. Listen to me and listen good. How can you hate your people so much that you agreed for them to be murdered in a cold blood? The same people you claim to lead, to be their leader, to be their head, to be their voice, to become their voice. The same people you are sending to early grave in a cold blood. I ask, if a hope we are to send to early grave, would he become a governor today? I'm asking. Would he be okay? He has children. Let's assume being a father, as he is now, then maybe he wake up one morning and he hears that his children is murdered in a cold blood. They brought the children before him, present them as dead bodies. How will he feel? I'm not praying such prayer, but I'm speaking based on what is his action, what he's doing in Imo State, which is very, very bad. It's wrong. It's not supposed to. No matter what, you don't have to. Shadade, you don't have to. You don't have to. For he cannot create one. Even his own personal hair, he cannot number it. Not to talk of a whole human being taking life of many souls in Imo State. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. So him now coming out as what? President with a Ganduje, the dollar man, the share or the thief, whichever way they like, let them do it. It's very, very unfortunate. But which I believe vividly well, that day they will only vote for themselves. Their family will be the one to vote for them and them vote for themselves. Because no reasonable Nigeria will look at them. Only their picture alone is virus. Only both of them, their picture alone is virus to the nation called Nigeria. Their picture alone is a virus to the nation called Nigeria. So it's only them that will vote themselves. Maybe they just want to come and do show and go in, because God forbid.
It's not possible. So you don't see that partnership. You don't see that partnership coming to fruition. Never.
Not even in the next Nigeria. Are you hearing me? Not even in the next Nigeria. You know, many faces will still come up after 2027. Other faces, people with the ambition will still come up. And even if themselves still come out, people will still remember. Do you know why Obi won an election, despite the fact that they did not give it to him? Do you know why he won an election? You know, Nigerians are growing up now. It's not like before. We are wising up now. based on his credentials. Don't be surprised. Ambody, if Ambody come out today, I personally will vote Ambody. Only his 4 years in Lagos State. You know, it's just like what Trump said in one of his campaigns. He said that Americans has failed him 4 years before. They know what he's capable of doing. Not Kamara. Are you getting it? And which is true. So I have viewed Hope Uzodimma. I view Ambody. So if Ambody should come out, I will vote Ambody instead of Hope Uzodimma. In fact, even his poster, if I see where they post it near my door, I will squeeze it and set it on fire. Hope Uzodimma picture. I will set it on fire. But I will mark Ambody because 4 years of Ambody in Lagos here. Yeah.
Was fire. Was
No, very. If you watch that, you know that him. This is.
But some don't like him, Sha.
Everybody must not like him. I am not a Yoruba man. Everybody must not like him. There are people that don't like your good. There are people that they drive joy when they are punishing others. Are you getting it? And that was what played against him during his tenure as a governor of Lagos State. This is a man who carry everybody at heart, just like late Funshaw William. He carry everybody at heart. He loves everybody so far you are living in Lagos. Are you getting it? He makes sure that you live comfortably without harassment, without intimidation. Are you getting it? Without any affliction from any corner called government. Remember, during Ambody time, Kai doesn't arrest. Last man doesn't arrest. People like VIO and co that are forcefully generating money from the masses. He pushed them out, but he was paying them. He was paying them their salary. It was Ambody that stopped all these illegality groups that call themselves Omonile. Go and hustle. Go and hustle. A man will hustle, suffer many things, and buy land. He want to put a structure. You with your group, you come from nowhere. After smoking, drinking, you come and say you be Omonile. Then they should give you money. You even begin to demand to put how much that they will give you, as if you contribute to the success of the person. But it was during Ambody stopped all those nonsense because he knew it was nonsense and he stopped it. He don't supposed to. Are you getting it? And people start building with peace in Lagos. People now believe that trust was built up again. That yes, we have seen a man. But to be out of jealousy, are you getting it? Baba Sokwe. Baba what? Sokwe, they remove that good man who has good heart, just like Oti.
Well, they threaten Oti now that Oti will be a one-time governor, a one-term.
That is the thing. That is the truth. When you are doing good, doing anything that masses are benefiting, they don't like it. They will not approve. In fact, they will find means.
What they say? APC is coming. APC is coming.
That's Benjamin Carlos says so. Because he's an enemy of progress. He's an enemy of joy. He's an enemy of happiness. He's an enemy of development. He's an enemy of good things. Because I cannot imagine somebody, if you know area before, in Ngwa, if you have visited that place, and visit that place now, you will clap for Oti. If Oti should come out in 21 times, he need to be voted in. Yes, go and see how he transformed that place. That many governors have ruled 80 years, so many years, over how many thousands of years. That place. I say you cannot walk in area, main market. You see bush, you see dirty, smelling here. See market here, smelling. No more motor we come, you see water, gutter, you know this. But now, if you go there, you will be happy. You will be happy. They are not happy seeing that man doing that wonderful thing in Abia State. The beautiful thing that the public are benefiting, the masses are benefiting from. That is what Nigerian people hate. It's this our political leaders. People like Hope Uzodimma, they hate it. Are you getting it? Uzokalo ruled there 8 years, nothing. Theodore, 8 years, that is 16 years, nothing. But this man is only a year plus. Go and say the wonderful thing. And then I ask a question. Is Oti collecting different money from what these people, those ones have collected before? I don't know. I imagine all these things. This money that Oti is spending there, where is it coming from? Is it not the same money from the allocated to states, which they have been allocated to the state all this while? Look at the way he uses the money judiciously. The masses, the poor masses, are now benefiting from it. They are now partaking, enjoying it, and that is what we have been looking for. That is what we have been praying for, even in this so-called country, Nigeria. Who is the president that will have the masses at heart? That will feel for the masses, that will feel their pains, not the one that will buy private jet and set people on hunger. People are hungry. You are busy spending 160 billion in buying one. And this thing will still, end of the day, land on earth. This ground is still matching. Let's think of life first. See, I used to watch all these campaigners. I'm not talking about Nigeria. If you go to Igbo land, you see their campaigning. Look at Trump now. Do you know what Trump is fighting for? Anything that will distract their major citizen. Trump is not ready to tolerate it. I could remember one of his this thing. Do you know what he said? He won Hamas them. He said they should release all the American citizens that they are holding before him becoming president. He should have won it. Are you getting it? These are the people that we need. And action. And when they come, and when they come into power, you see them practicing what they used to campaign. What they promise you. They practice it. They put it into practice. I promise you this, I must do it. I made it as a promise, and you voted me in. Now I am there, so I have to. Are you hearing me? These things that Nigeria should put it into practice, but they will not put it. Mudin, or what is his name? He will not think of that. That anybody who promised us during campaign that did not do it should be killed. Let him put it like that. No, now.
Because they cannot give us every now and then during election. They come out to give us promises, and after they enter or they start,
they will forget you and forget your promises. They will forget you and forget all their nonsense promises. And they are there rooting money. Do you know in China, you dare not to root money?
Yes, even North Korea.
You dare, they not born you where. You dare not touch public fund. If you do, straight ahead, go and read your will to your family, because you are going. You are a goner. A goner forever. Asana. You are goner forever, because they will surely put you to death, because it's into the law. And that is why those who want to serve are coming there with their heart. Look at Traore, the current president of Burkina Faso. Do you know how much he's collecting? He's collecting money as a commander, not as a president. And do you know what he said to his governors? He said he's not going to use public money to buy you people car. If you don't have money to buy a car, 3 can come. Use your salary, buy. You cannot come and fraud the nation and you expect public money. No. It's meant for the public, and it must spend for the public. That is how it's supposed to be. If you want to serve from your mind, from your heart, and have your respect. One was interviewing me one day. Do you know what I told the journalist at NIJ? I told him, sir, I need a nation, a country, whereby I am Mr. President Tinubu. He will sit like this, I will sit like this. That is the kind of country I want. And that is the kind of government I want, I need. He said, how? I say in America, during years back, under the regime of Clinton, the so-called commoner, as we use the language to qualify people, so-called commoner sued Clinton to court, a lady, and Clinton appeared. He and his wife backed him up. He appeared in the court. The girl stood before the court. Clinton too. That's why the part is a president. As another, being a president, he stood to defend himself for the allegation. I getting, can that happen in Nigeria? So I need a nation where all this should take place.